hope you're all well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel and to my autumn fashion month. So as I said before, I will be doing lots of autumn fashion month videos this month. What did I just say? Doing 3 or 4 videos a week of fashion and styling. So we're doing like styling autumn essentials. We've got lots of hauls. We've got lots of things about trends and key pieces and wardrobe clear out. So tons coming for you guys. And today I wanted to do a haul from a store that I love seeing on other people, but I haven't really had a chance to try out properly myself, and that is Arket. So they kindly sent me an outfit, and so I really wanted to do like a haul, and there were some other things that I saw when I was picking out my outfit that I really loved, and I couldn't decide on. So I thought, do you know what? I'm going to order those extra things, seeing as they've been so generous and sent me a whole outfit. I can keep some of my favourites and show you guys, and we can get to know a bit more about the brand. But from what I've seen, they have the most amazing things. So I'm going to open up. I've got this absolutely huge parcel here. I got another one here. So this one's a bit smaller because it's just clothes, whereas the other one's got shoes and bags in too. So I think we should open with the small parcel first, because if I put it on top of the big parcel, I can reach whilst I'm on talking to you guys. Very nicely packaged. So the first thing is a pair of trousers, and I was really torn on these trousers because they kind of remind me a bit of like granddad trousers, but I kind of love them. And as you guys know, if you've been watching any of my other videos, I'm kind of getting more into trousers because I've always been a jeans girl. So I saw these and I really liked them. I really love the grey, and they look like a really nice fit, and I thought they might be really nice for autumn. But I just wanted to try them out and see what they were like on. So that's what I'm going to do. So these are the trousers on, and I really like the kind of colour and style. But I feel like they're just not right for my shape because they're really tight around here. Maybe I just need to get the next size up, but I do think I got a 10 already. Like, the VPL is outrageous. So yeah, they're definitely too small for me. I would say they're very tight here. And I don't know if I need them a bit longer too, to be honest, but I do really like the colour and the style. I just think, yeah, they're not right for me. It'd be a really cool work trouser actually. If I worked in an office, then I'd definitely order these in the next size up, because I think I'd wear them all the time. So the next thing is an oversized shirt, and I've got so many shirts, but this one I absolutely fell in love with. I really wanted to get this for my outfit, but it was just an outfit and I didn't want to be super cheeky. And it would have been obvious that I couldn't wear them together, because there's this jacket that I've like fallen in love with that I really wanted, which is what you'll see later. And so I was like, I can't wear that together. So this is an oversized shirt. It's very oversized. Kind of reminds me of like an old man's, very old man vibes here, an old man's sleeping top. I just love the super wide, long cuffs. I just thought it looked really cool, open, all closed. You could actually probably wear this as a dress as well. Guys, I've fallen in love with this shirt. It's amazing. I'm in love with it. The sleeves are so cool. I love how long they are. They like cover my hand. I really like how it kind of has big slits at the side, which you probably couldn't wear as a dress with that. I think it looked really nice tucked as well. But I just love it untucked and loose, like literally just a pair of jeans and boots, and then I've got a bag on. There's a bag, of course. But yeah, I just think it's so nice. Such a simple outfit, but it works so well. And I have another shirt. I was clearly feeling the shirt selection, and this really reminded me of the silky one that I got for my ASOS haul. I'll link it up here if you haven't seen it. But it's got like ribs. It's like a ribbed one, or pleated, I think they called it. Oh, it's not the thing off. And I love it. I think it's so cool. It hasn't got cuffs though. That's the only thing that's kind of putting me off. I feel like I would roll the sleeves up anyway, so I'm really excited to try that on because I think it's really luxurious and nice. Okay, so I've literally just had a mini photo shoot with this shirt. I'm obsessed with this. I feel like it's really similar to my silky one. It's not. It's a really similar colour to my silky one, so I feel like I can't have it. But I really love it. I've literally unbuttoned it down to my belly button basically. But it stays really nicely. It's a really nice loose fit. It's so lovely. It's so soft. I thought that the sleeves would bother me, but they actually don't, because they're nice and loose and they kind of cover my arms, my hands. It's just so soft and comfy, and it hangs so nicely. I think it'll look really nice open too. It's like a little jacket. Just gonna do this up for fear that I'm gonna flash. I just really love it. I think it looks so nice with blue denim too. I'm actually in love with this. I think it looks really expensive. I feel like the ribbed detail just makes it look super expensive. Then the last thing is actually a jumper that I tried on in store a couple of weeks ago, in the midst of summer heat. And I just loved the colour. I like fell in love with the colour of it. It's a really nice kind of fuchsia pink. And I am trying to tone down all the bright colours in my wardrobe, but I feel like if you wore it with like a really simple outfit, then it would look so nice. And it's just really, really nice knit. It's really soft and it looks like really good quality. So I really wanted to try that on too. So this is the pink jumper on. It's so warm and cozy. I really love it. I've just put it with my grey jeans that I was wearing, my little Chanel sandals. I really like this outfit. It's just such a cool, casual throw-on outfit, and then with the bag as well. I really love the colour tones. I think the pistachio and the pink looks particularly nice together. And I really like how oversized and comfy this is. Like honestly, I'm obsessed with this jumper. I want it in every colour. I don't think it was too expensive either, considering where it's from. I really like it. I think it's definitely under £80. So nice. So now we're on to the big boy. We'll get this big bad boy open. So I've just seen on the top is one of the things that I'm most excited to open. Is this bag, and I showed Jack this bag and he was like, I think so he literally said something like, I couldn't like it less if I tried. He literally was like, that is the most ugliest bag I've ever seen in my life. I saw it on this blogger that I follow and love and talk to quite a lot actually. I'd call her like my Instagram friend, Anouk. I think that's how you say her name, or Anouk, or Anouke. She's really cool. She's got the coolest style, and she's like Scandi style. And it's like kind of a half moony style bag. It's leather. Everything's really simple but really well made. It's really soft leather, and I just love the olivey colour. Like I actually think it will look so nice with this outfit. Just like a crossbody bag, and you could wear it like this too. And I think it would look cool if you wanted to put a knot in it and have it as like a little shoulder bag. I think that would look really cool. And they had it in a couple of colours. I think they had an orange colour too, and maybe another one. But yeah, I just loved it so much. And it's like, this is leather on the strap too. I just think it's so nice. How nice is this? I think you can knot it and have it like really tight here too. I just think it's such a nice bag. And it's quite big actually. It looks like a small bag, but I bet you could fit so much in it. I've just noticed this too, which I think looks really nice. This like detail. I think it makes it look quite designer. Okay, so next I have a pair of shoes. A pair of boots to be exact. So when I ordered this, it was really going into autumn. So this is like full-on autumn outfit. And I spotted these on Hannah Koski actually, maybe like a week ago or 2 weeks ago. And they thought they looked really nice on her, and they actually had a pair like this on the By Far website last year, which I really liked, but I never ended up getting because there's something about the shape that looked a bit too like quirky for me. And like, I do love the quirky styles, but I just don't think that I'm quirky enough to wear them. But I just really loved these. I thought they looked a bit less quirky and a bit more kind of like feminine, but also they've got like a feminine, masculine, like cool. Hannah wore them with like a midi skirt, which actually looked really nice. I was picturing them just with jeans. I really love the square toe, and the laces are fake, and they've got the zip up the side, and I just know these are going to be so comfortable because they are so soft, guys. The leather is amazing and they smell incredible. Then onto the clothing. So I've got 3 pieces of clothing. So this is just a really simple t-shirt, long sleeve t-shirt, which I never think you can have enough of, and it's in the colour of the season, pistachio green, and it actually looks really nice just with these grey jeans. I got it in a couple of sizes too big, I think. Everything, I'm shocked. So this is a medium, and it's only £17 actually. I thought this was going to be more. So this is the pistachio green top on, and I've just put it with this simple leather bag, and the grey jeans I was wearing before, and my boots. And it's just a really simple kind of autumn outfit, especially when it's like a warmer autumn day. You can put a jacket with it. And honestly, I love this outfit so much. I love the different tones of green together. but I'm meant to be talking about the top, aren't I? Not the whole outfit. But yeah, it fits really nicely. I like the kind of loose but not too loose fit, and I like the fact that it's got nice long sleeves too. I feel like I kind of want this in every colour, like all colour palettes. Then this jacket, which it's like a knitted jacket, and I've literally been looking at this on their website for ages, and I went into the store and tried it on, and I keep thinking about it and thinking about it and thinking about it, and now it's finally mine. It's this, oh, it smells really nice. It's like a knitted wool, is it wool? A knitted jacket. Should I put it on? It's, I'll style it up properly later and talk you through it. Let me stand here and talk you through it, and then I'll. So, I really like this. It's really comfortable. I got it in a bigger size because I wanted it to be oversized. I love the pocket detail. I think it's really cool, and I was never before a fan of zipped on cardigans, but I feel like because it's more of a jacket, it doesn't bother me. I just really love this, and this is perfect for transitional. Also for autumn layering, this will be so perfect because you can wear it under things to like keep yourself warm, but it's another cute little layer. And I've just noticed that the zip is like a little two-way zip, so if you wanted to be really cool, you could do a little two-way zip moment here. What do you guys think? And then last but most certainly not least, I got a pair of jeans, and I actually gave in to the sad fact that I am no longer a waist 26 anymore, and got them in a waist 27. So I'm hoping these fit, because otherwise I'll not be like, I've gone up 2 sizes. So these are organic cotton denim. I think everything's like really sustainable. I'm not 100% sure, but I get that kind of feeling. And if you've ever been to the store in London, it's really nice. Totally recommend going in. They have like a cafe in there, and they have homeware and kids and men's and women's, and they just do everything. It's like a bit of a concept store. So these like grey. They're kind of similar to the colour jeans that I'm wearing now, but they're a bit darker. They're more of a washed black, and they're really nice straight leg jeans. So I'm looking forward to trying these on, because I'm always looking for new places to get a good pair of jeans from, guys. I don't think you can ever have enough pairs of jeans. So these are the jeans on. Hopefully you can see the whole length. And they're really comfortable. I love the shade, like the washed out black kind of grey colour. They look so nice. The colour goes so well with these jeans, and also I feel, these boots. And I also feel like these boots and jeans were made to be worn together, because the length is just perfect. They like don't cross over, but they just meet, which I really like in a pair of jeans. And yeah, I just jeans and boots, like a jean boot combo. So again, they're just a really nice fit. They're very comfortable denim. Like they're quite a nice thick denim, but not like too thick. And I have to admit, when I first put them on, I didn't think they were going to do up, but they did. Thank the Lord. And also TMI, I am on my period at the moment, so I feel like jeans are going to be a bit tighter. So hopefully when I'm not on my period, that'll fit me perfectly. So that is everything. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what your favourite thing is that I got. I'm torn between the bag, the boots, and the knitted jacket. And that shirt's really nice too. Everything's so nice. What do you guys think? And what do you think about Arket? Have you ordered from there before? Would you make an order now that you've seen this? Are you still on the fence? If you've made an order, I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on the quality and the pricing and stuff. And yeah, let me know in the comment below what your favourite thing is. Also, if you got to the end, leave me a little emoji of an ark, like a Noah's Ark. Get it? Ark. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of my autumn content. And even when I'm not doing my autumn fashion month, I do at least one video a week on a Sunday in fashion and styling. And once I'm all weddings over and I moved home and into my new house that I've bought, I will be back to 2 videos a week too. Just at the moment it's a bit mental. So don't know really why I decided to do this autumn fashion month, but I just think it sounded really fun to myself. I wanted to do it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll leave the playlist below so you can check out some of the other videos, and I will see you next time. Bye!